If you love charcoal grilling but don't have room for a huge backyard setup, you're in the right place. I picked up 5 popular small charcoal grills and put them through real weekend cookouts to see which ones are actually worth buying. Whether you're grilling at home, camping, or tailgating, here's what I found.
Product number 1. Weber Original Kettle Charcoal Grill 22-inch. When I rolled the Weber Original Kettle into my backyard, I immediately understood why it's been around for so many years. The porcelain-coated bowl and lid felt incredibly durable, and everything fit together with that solid Weber quality. During my cookout, I easily fit enough burgers for the whole family, and the heavy steel cooking grate heated evenly across the surface. The adjustable dampers gave me excellent control over cooking temperatures, making it easy to switch from slow cooking to hotter searing. My favorite part was the one-touch cleaning system. Instead of fighting with messy ashes, I simply moved the handle and emptied the ash catcher in seconds. The sturdy nylon handle stayed cool enough to grab comfortably throughout the cook. If you want a dependable charcoal grill that can handle family cookouts for years, this one is still hard to beat. But if portability matters more, the next grill is much easier to carry.
Product number 2. Weber Jumbo Joe 18-inch Portable Charcoal Grill. The first thing I noticed about the Weber Jumbo Joe was how easy it was to carry. Even though it's smaller than the classic kettle, it still felt solid and well built. I took it on a camping trip and had plenty of room to grill burgers, hot dogs, and a few vegetables without feeling cramped. The tuck-and-carry lid lock turned out to be more useful than I expected because it kept the lid secure while transporting the grill and also acted as a convenient lid holder during cooking. Heat control was simple thanks to the adjustable vents, and I had no trouble maintaining steady temperatures. Cleanup was also quick since there wasn't a huge amount of charcoal to deal with afterward. If you spend weekends camping, tailgating, or grilling at the park, this is one of the easiest charcoal grills to travel with. Before moving on to another grill, I want to mention one accessory that made outdoor cooking even easier.
Product number 3. Weber Deluxe Grilling Basket. Although this isn't a charcoal grill by itself, I ended up using the Weber Deluxe Grilling Basket with several of the grills I tested, and it quickly became one of my favorite accessories. The stainless steel construction felt sturdy without being overly heavy, and the basket held smaller foods that would normally fall through the cooking grate. I loaded it with sliced vegetables, shrimp, and diced chicken, and everything cooked evenly while staying contained. The raised sides made tossing food simple without worrying about anything dropping into the charcoal. Cleanup was surprisingly easy because food released well from the stainless steel surface after cooking. Since it fits most charcoal grills that are 18 inches or larger, I found myself reaching for it during nearly every barbecue. If you enjoy grilling vegetables or seafood alongside your burgers and steaks, this accessory is definitely worth adding to your grilling setup. Now let's get back to another compact charcoal grill. Product number 4. Char-Griller Acorn Jr. Portable Kamado Grill. When I lifted the Acorn Jr. for the first time, it felt much more substantial than most portable charcoal grills. The triple-wall steel construction immediately gave me confidence that it would hold heat well, and it absolutely did. During testing, I used it for both slow-smoking ribs and high-heat steak searing, and the temperature control impressed me every time. The dual dampers made small adjustments easy, while the insulated body helped the grill maintain heat without burning through charcoal too quickly. I also appreciated the cast iron cooking grate because it produced beautiful grill marks and retained heat exceptionally well. Cleaning up afterward was simple thanks to the easy dump ash pan, which saved me plenty of time. If you want a compact grill that performs like a full-size Kamado, this one deserves serious attention. My final pick is much lighter and built specifically for grab-and-go grilling adventures.
Product number 5. Cuisinart 14-inch Portable Charcoal Grill. The Cuisinart 14-inch portable grill surprised me with just how lightweight it was. Carrying it from my garage to the picnic table felt almost effortless, making it a great choice for camping trips and tailgates. Despite its compact size, the chrome-plated cooking grate offered enough room to cook several burgers or steaks at once. During testing, the dual air vents made adjusting cooking temperatures simple, whether I wanted slower cooking or higher heat for quick searing. The 3 locking clips kept the lid tightly secured while transporting it, and I never worried about charcoal or ash spilling into my vehicle. After grilling, the enamel-coated firebox and removable ash base made cleanup quick and straightforward.
If you're looking for an affordable charcoal grill that's incredibly portable and easy to store, this model is an excellent option for casual outdoor cooking without taking up much space. Those are my picks for the best small charcoal grills after using each one in real cookouts. Whether you need something for your backyard, camping trips, or weekend tailgates, there's a great option here for every budget. Check the links in the description for current prices, and if this review helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews.